everyone. So as you can see, I'm just parting the hair in a triangular shape, and I'm gonna just detangle and make sure my parts are clean. So I've already done half of the hair. I'm just doing the other half now and show you guys how to do it. So I just apply some product. I use the creme brulee and another product I made at home, and it's just a mix of butters and oil. So at the end of the braid, I'm not going to braid, I'm going to twist. So I'm going to just braid close to the scalp, and then the free end I'm going to just twist it. The reason why I do this is because it's easier to take it down, and also because a hair tends to tangle a lot. Making a twist is actually better when I braid it, because hair is very fine, and it's very fine and it tangles so easily. When I find it easier when I make twists, and then to take it out, there's less breakage that comes with it, less manipulation taking it down, so it's gentler on the strands. So that's a very good tip that I can give you guys when you're braiding hair that is very sensitive, like this kind that she has. So all I do is I braid close to the scalp, and then I twist the free edge. So now I'm just gonna part in the middle, as you can see me doing here. Okay, so you're gonna separate that section, and all I'm gonna do is just part the hair in triangular shapes again. But first, make sure your hair is moisturized, detangled. Use a white tooth comb, of course. Use some moisturizing cream and a sealant. And so I'm gonna show you how I part this here. So can you see it's just like a kind of like a triangle. Look at her face though. She's so tender-headed. So yeah, I'm going to continue doing the same process. I'm going to braid close to the scalp, and then the free end, I'm just going to twist it. I'm going to do that throughout the whole style. So as you can see, I'm going to make another triangle kind of shape, detangle. If you need to detangle whilst you're braiding, you can do so as well. It's not issue. So sometimes you'll see me braiding, and when I'm almost at the end, if I feel any tangles, I'll just use the little comb and like kind of brush very gently on the hair, so that there's no tangles and the style is smooth, and you know, it looks nice and tidy. So I'm going to just twist the ends again. I'm going to repeat that until the whole that whole section is finished. So this is a very simple casual style that you can replicate in any hair density, you know, and texture, as long as you can braid it. So as you can see, that's how it looks like. I find it very cute for my little girl because she's only 4. So here I'm gonna make like I think 4 parts, and I advise to like kind of do this is like something I do. I kind of twist each part in itself so that everything looks neat, because the hair tangles so much. So I do the parts before I even start braiding, and that's it. That's all you have. You can just add some accessories to it, some bows, make it look nice. Hope you enjoy it. Very simple, easy to recreate. Bye.